In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get your email to the inbox using Mailchimp. Getting to the inbox starts with keeping a healthy audience. Mailchimp gives you built-in notifications that help you spot subscriber activity quickly so you can react before small issues become deliverability problems. Here's how to turn them on. First, head to Mailchimp in your browser. Once you're on your dashboard, look for the top navigation and open the audience section. This is where your contacts live, and it's the control center for the settings we're about to adjust. Inside Audience, go to your contacts view and find the More Options menu. Depending on your screen size, it may appear as a three-dot icon or a drop-down on the right. Open that menu, then choose Audience Settings. You're now in the place where Mailchimp manages defaults that affect list health and communication. Scroll until you see subscriber notification emails and select Edit. This panel controls the alerts Mailchimp can send you about signups and unsubscribes. These alerts don't go to your subscribers, they're just for you or your team, and they're incredibly helpful for understanding engagement trends. Turn on the daily summary. This gives you a single digest that reports how many people joined or left your list in the past day. It's a quick, low-friction way to keep an eye on growth and churn without cluttering your inbox. If you notice sudden spikes, you can pause and review your recent send or sign-up source before your next campaign, which helps protect sender reputation. Next, enable individual subscribe and unsubscribe notifications. These real-time alerts are valuable when you want immediate visibility, for example, during a launch or when you're testing a new form. They help you validate that your capture points are working and surface early warning signs like a cluster of unsubscribes after a particular message. Use them as a signal to check content relevance and sending cadence so your future emails earn more positive engagement. Once these notifications are enabled, you'll have an early warning system for list quality. Keep an eye on the tone of changes rather than any single number. Steady organic growth paired with low unsubscribes and low complaints is a strong indicator you're on track for better inbox placement. And that's it. You've configured Mailchimp's audience notifications to keep you informed and proactive, which is one of the simplest ways to support deliverability over time. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.